How to unpin a post on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpin posts on Instagram just like this. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Alright, so first, open the Instagram app. Launch the app on your Android or iPhone. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the pinned post. Scroll through your posts and tap on the one you wish to unpin. Pinned posts are typically located at the top of your profile grid. Access the menu. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Choose Unpin option. From the menu that appears, select Unpin from Profile. This action will remove the post from the pinned position. Once you complete these steps, the post will revert to its original chronological place in your profile feed. You can only pin up to 3 posts at a time, so if you encounter issues unpinning a post, ensure that you are not exceeding this limit. If the unpin option does not appear, try editing the post first, as this may resolve any glitches preventing the unpinning process. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.